Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today we want to speak about Apple Vision Pro and analyze it and how it's work. If you don't know, I will give you a summary how it works, and after that we will explain about parts of that system. If you don't know what's Apple Vision, I should explain that it's one look like a glass. You wear it and it has also a speaker. You can have also your real life with your digital life. That means inside that glass it is not closed. You can see the room or environment, and also you can have one screen of your apps or movie or anything you want. That means you can have both of them, because some people are worried that if I wear it I won't understand what's happening in my room, in my home. No, about Apple Vision Pro, you can have both of them in same time. And also if you don't want, no, you can use completely for a video or something like that. But before we start, let's check the prices. Okay, Apple Vision Pro price, you can see the pictures of that. It works like that. It will close to your head, something like that. And if you wear glass, before you use, you should wear it off, and you should give your information about eyes to system, and it will make it correctly for your eyes. That means it will customize it for your eyes. So from $3,499 to or 291.58 monthly for 1 year. So okay, you can see it's pictures of that. It has some capacities, for example 256 gigabyte. uh, Prices look like 3,500. 512 gigabyte is it's near to 3,700, and 1 terabyte is 3,900. It's the price. Okay, I tried it, and if you want to also try it too, uh, wait, you can come to this site, Apple site. You can search on Google, for example, Apple Vision Pro, and book a demo. It is here inside the site. If you choose this, it will give you a demo in nearest Apple shop in your town. You can uh, reserve time and go and try it for free, and it's interesting because I did it. But first thing that I didn't like about Apple Vision Pro is that it's very heavy. That means uh, maybe you can use for just for one film to, for example, 2 hours, but you cannot use for daily works. That means they say that you can use during the day, but in fact you cannot, because it's really heavy. I don't know how many gram is it, maybe we can find it, but it's heavy. So it should be a bit lighter if you want to use, for example, if you want it for daily use. It's big and also heavy. So I think that I didn't like this part, but it's interesting. I offer you to have this demo and book it from here. And also you can, it's really interesting, you can go with your family, all of you, but you should reserve one by one, because I think it needs 15 or 20 minutes. And if you go there, you will see too many people are in queue and wait for their turn. So it's good that you reserve before you go, and it's really funny. You can go with your family to check it. Okay, guys. What Apple says about it. Apple Vision Pro seamlessly blend digital content with your physical space so you can work, watch, relive memories and connect in ways never before possible. Okay, you can see in the video, look, uh, you can see inside that glass that if your home, your environments, and also applications, and you just work with your hand to, for example, open applications, close them, for sound, for everything you can work with your hands, and Apple Vision understand your movements, maybe with AI. So you can. It's interesting video. So I take a closer look. It's front, it's left side, it's back side, headbands. That's I think they two headbands are included. The solo needs band provides cushioning and stretch, and the fit dial lets you adjust Apple Vision Pro to your head. Okay, and it's inside it, and it's OLED display, and it's upper side. Oh, sorry. Okay, so the ultimate theater, wherever you are, it's look like theater. Yes, it is fantastic. You can see 3D, also 4D videos. You can see, you can watch movies or football or soccer, basketball, everything look like you are inside that inside that, for example, salon. It's really interesting, and it work space with infinity space. That means some people for work they need 2 or 3 monitors. For example, programmers cannot work just with monitor. They need to add some monitors to see, or traders. But this system give you very big display that you can see with your head. You can right, left, and see that big display without buying new monitors. And it is good for your home. For example, if you don't have enough space, you can buy this and use of this without too many monitors, too many things to use. Just one tablet, and it will help you. But again, it's a bit heavy. It's a bit heavy to use for example, for 9 to 5. It is too much. It will be hard, I think, but maybe you used to use it, and it is good because in same time you can work in very big screen, and also you can have your meetings in somewhere. That means you can open too many windows in your display, and in same time you can control all of them. So be in moment all over again. It record 3D, and after a while, when you miss that, for example, travel or that people or anyone, you can watch it again in 3D, and you can walk inside that memory. It's really interesting. That means walk inside that. For example, you travel to somewhere, and you use of that glass to record that environment, and after a while you can again watch it 3D and walk inside it. It's really interesting when you miss for your, for example, last trip, or miss for someone that he or she is not next to you. You can live in that memory again. It's really interesting, guys. It's really interesting. Your memories come alive, share quality time and space. You can have meets or for example, when you are working, you don't need to stop your works and, for example, work with your phone. Or if you have a call, you don't need to stop your job and answer that call, because if you work with that glass, you can continue what are you doing with answering that call with just one finger, saying, okay, open this call, and you can see he or she, and also continue your job. It's interesting. And I told you, you can see inside the screen all of your application, and look, if your friend has also this glass, you can play together, play some games together. And it's 3D look. For example, for education, you can have something to check it in 3D, a world of apps, a world of discovery. An operating system designed for spatial. So also you can, for example, move your screen a bit farther if you want, or nearer to what you want to check. You see, yes, it's the picture with one person. You can see how it looks. It looks like this. Also, you can see people's eyes like that. And we saw the pictures. More pixels than a 4K TV for each eye. For each eye. So it makes one environment, a special environment for you. You can use of this. You can see how it works. It's sensors that work with your hand and see what are you doing. It has M2 chipset and R1. So unique dual chip design enabled to spatial experience on Apple Vision Pro. The powerful M2 chip simultaneously runs Vision's OS, and all with incredible efficiency. And the brand new R1 chips is especially dedicated to process input from the camera, sensors, and microphones, streaming image to display within 12 million seconds. So you can see, you can control it with your phone. That means you should control it with your, for example, iPhone. And I think that you should have iPhone to work with it. I'm not sure, but I think that it should be an iPhone. Okay, it's finished. So I will also make video about that camera that Meta produced, and also other companies. About Apple Vision, it is really nice, guys. In my opinion, I checked it. I tried it. It is really nice, really good. You can also try it. Again, I say in demo. I offer you to test it. If you want to buy, it's very important to uh, use a demo before you buy, because maybe it is hard to use for you. It's heavy, guys. It is not light, but it's fantastic. You can enjoy of it. If you don't have problem with weight of that, it's fantastic. You can enjoy of this, and it's worth. That means the price is not very much for this gadget. It's worth. It's really good. It's really good. I make new videos about others glasses, and we will discuss about them, compare them, and if you want to buy them, we can compare together which of them is better. Write your comment if you had this demo. Please write inside comment how was your experience, what do you think about Vision Pro, and I will read your comments and answer your comments. I like to see your opinion about my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, please, if you like, and share to your friends. Maybe they want to buy Apple Vision Pro. See you. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Bye bye.